I'm going to show you how you can get the absolute closest, cheapest, and best shave using 7 simple tools. For the past 5 years, I've been using the double-edged safety razor to shave, and I can tell you what you do need and what you don't need. Go. Feel free to like the video and subscribe if you get any value at all. Also, after you're done shaving and everything is done, I feel like there's something everyone should do, but I don't think anybody has ever shown me or talked about it. So stick around. So there's all kinds of fun, cool tools out there. There's the brush, there's the bowl, there's all kinds of soaps and creams and all kinds of things you can do with a double-edged safety razor, which a lot of people, if you looked into this at all, there's a lot of cool stuff you can buy. I've come to realize I don't need pretty much any of those things except for one thing, which I'm going to explain in just a second. So of course, there's the safety razor, this bad boy right here. This is a Edwin Jagger, and of course I'll link everything in the description below. This bad boy I really like. I think it's pretty, it's beautiful. It's got the smooth handle, which I really like the looks of. However, I'll be honest, I wish it was rigid or knurled. But yeah, I wish it did have that, because this does get slippery even with just a little bit of oil in your hands. What I really want is the feather. The feather safety razor, oof, it's pretty. It's designed well. The craftsmanship is like high bar. And I feel like if I eventually get that, I'll be handing that down to my boy when he gets ready to shave, or actually probably beyond my years. So that I really want to get, but for right now this works perfect. The second thing that you need are the feather razors, or any razors that you can pick up. These are the ones I use. These are made in Japan. Now these things are super sharp. I love them. Platinum coated, all that good stuff. What I recommend you do, go buy the variety pack and just kind of test out whatever works for your skin. I think everybody's a little bit different. My skin is super soft and sensitive, so I feel like I needed something really sharp, at least after I tried all of them, because I just want to do one quick stroke and be done with it, because if you do any more than that, it starts to hurt and it starts to get razor burn. I have no brush, I have no bowl. Companies are a huge proponent of all these creams and all these. I tried all those creams, I tried all the soap, and one thing I noticed is really hard to find stuff that didn't have chemicals in them. And being someone who has kind of pretty sensitive skin, like probably a lot of people, trying to find stuff that didn't have chemicals and didn't have certain things, because everything is built to suds and foam for your face, I came to realize that I didn't want that stuff on my face. So I was kind of lost until I found this Secret Shave. Now this is made with just simple essential oils. You put 3 drops on your palm, rub it together, put it on your face. That's all you do. That's it. Now I know some of you out there are going, no way. But I've been doing this for quite a while, and this is all you need. All the other stuff, it's fun, it's enjoyable, but this is all you need. Now think about it. Who loves creams the most? Who supports them? Who is a big proponent of creams? The manufacturer. Because it's a consumable product. And a consumable product is something you're gonna have to use every day, especially for some of you guys who have to shave every day. I don't, thank goodness. Think of how much money they make. And they become a huge supporter, and they make sure you need to have it on a daily basis. Now I just challenge you. I know some of you are gonna be like, nah, but I challenge you. Just use this and see what happens. So of course you need a face wash. This is Terra Essentials. It's super organic, all that good stuff. It has very few, any chemicals at all in them. It's all pretty natural. I love their products. I use pretty much all of them. And of course you need hydrogen peroxide. I know you're wondering why I'm putting that in there. Is that for the cuts? Absolutely not. This bad boy is for cleaning. You want it super clean. So I run it under hot water, and then I put it in the hydrogen peroxide, and then I make sure that I clean it up nice and well. So that is a huge deal for me, is the cleanliness of my razor and the cleanliness of my safety razor, so that when I go in to shave, everything is super clean. First step, prep. Clean your face. clean it with warm water, clean face. And then you put some oil. So you just drop 3 drops of this into your palm and then rub it on your face. All right, so let's start shaving. So I put 3 drops of oil on my hands or on my one palm, and then I rub it all together, and then I rub it on my face. This is just 3 drops. Now I leave the oil on my hands. I go down 1 stroke. That's it. Then rinse the razor. 1 stroke. Rinse the razor. 1 stroke. Now, I try to do as little strokes as possible because I'm gonna go back over this. That's the only way I can get a close shave. I'm bleeding. Choking, I'm not bleeding. That's the first pass. So I use one side of the razor and I'm just gonna turn it around, use a clean side. So I'm rinsing off some of the excess hair and all that off my face, but also I'm putting another coat of oil from my hands onto my face. Now using the other side of the razor, I'm gonna go against so I can get a very close, nice shave. Done. What you have to do, rinse with a little bit of warm water, and then rinse with cold water. And I think an absolute necessity, one more step. I'll be right back. Ice. All along here. And for me, it feels amazing. Might be a little shocking for someone doing it the first time, but I absolutely love this. It is absolutely invaluable. Fresh, clean towel and pat. And then I forgot to tell you before, the absolute last tool. I don't do any aftershave or anything like that, just the ice. And then obviously a facial lotion. I used Hair Essentials like I was saying earlier, but I mean, you can use whatever you like. But yeah, that is my shaving routine. Please, like if you got any value out of this, comment below. I imagine some of you will disagree with my shaving process. And I don't know, maybe I'll learn something from you, but please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. My name is Timothy Sands. I'm a fashionable father. Have a good day.